Hey guys, Billy here. Today I want to do a review on this Comfier Shiatsu neck and back massager. I deal with a lot of back pain and a lot of issues with my back and my neck. So I was really excited to be able to check this out, give it a full test, and then give you my honest opinion. Now this thing does it all. It actually starts from the bottom and goes all the way up to the top. You got vibrating seats, you got stuff going on here and here, and then you got these rolling action, which is the Shiatsu massage, and then you got some vibration and different things and heat going on here as well. And then you got up here on your neck. I mean, this thing is actually pretty amazing. I'm excited to take it out of the box and show you exactly what this thing can do. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. All right, so we're gonna open it up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take it right out. Don't forget your little box of goodies. All right, so we got everything unboxed and ready to go. And Comfier has a little message for you. You got your instruction manual right here. So it's very important that you go through this, make sure that you understand the things that you're supposed to do, not do. Process works. You have all the different details for the remote that is included, some troubleshooting. So make sure that you look through that. Inside of the box is your power equipment to get this thing going. All right, we got everything right out of the box. You got your remote here. Everything is ready to go. Basically comes installed, so you don't have to really worry about putting a bunch of parts together. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up in a chair. That way you can get an idea of what we're looking at. All right, so as you can see, we got everything all set up. It was very easy to get set up. All you gotta simply do is place it where you need your massager to go. Then you hook it up to power. And there's even a handy little spot right here to be able to put your remote. Check this out. See, you're able to put your remote right here in that spot. Now, there's a few things I wanna note before we get started on a little bit of a tutorial is you got a little bit of a cheat sheet right here. If you want to, you can go through that and look at all the different settings, but you can also remove it if you don't want it. And then let's lift this up, and as you can see, you got your massagers under there. I gotta say, this is more luxurious, honestly, than I thought it would be. Before I started this video, I actually went through a whole massage, and I swear I fell asleep. I mean, this literally uses air compression to just squeeze here as well as here. I mean, this is really awesome. Let's go ahead and check this out. Now, obviously, I would put this in a much more comfortable seat, like maybe on a couch or recliner, work a lot better than, you know, a table chair. For the purposes of this, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Now, check this out. We're gonna turn it on and look at all the different settings. And right now, it is actually going. I wanna lift this up and show you what I mean. Look at this. I don't know about you, but that is awesome. All right, now we're gonna put it on demo. Check this out, we're gonna put it on demo mode. Look at that, the heat is turned on. Now, how do I know the heat turned on? Well, that's simple, check this out. Now that's a really good explanation for why we know the heat is on. So we got vibration modes we could do. We got the different settings, neck, 2D, 3D, rolling. You can have different settings there. You can, look at this. This is the compression I was talking about. You see that right there? I mean, literally, it's just squeezing the back. I don't know about you, but that's pretty amazing. All right, so let's go over here. Check this out. We got different settings, different areas we can look at. We got air back, air intensity, air seat, because these also, they vibrate and the air goes into them for air compression, which feel really amazing, by the way. Look at this full upper, lower back. So I gotta say, when going through this, and of course, check this out, we're also able to do the neck as well. So I've got to say, in my honest opinion, when I sit in this chair, it is absolutely the most relaxing experience that words just cannot describe. So to give you my honest opinion, after testing this out, I have to say, as amazing as it makes me feel, I definitely recommend this Comfier neck and back massage. All right, so if you'll excuse me, I have a massage that I need to get back to. Thank you for watching.